You won't be unsure about doing what is needed. Yes, you will exercise a routine that others will follow. Yes, vibration will be solid. Yes, you are not alone. Yes, this new world will turn a corner that will be constant and turn away grief from the old ways. You will be needed to work through healing the wounded people that will be unable to help themselves. You are only working to end the suffering. Yes. Before you are on this path, you will be giving up the worst ways of the past first. Imagine having a conversation with those who willingly listen to you without judgment, encouraging you to follow your dreams, guide you toward your victories, see you through all your challenges and successes, bring out the best in you, and always tell you the truth. You can handle the truth, right? This will be one of your challenges as you get to know yourself better. This describes what you can expect from the conversations you will be having with your spirit guides and angels in your coaching session with me and your team of guides. This is about experiencing how to tune into your guides so conversations with them can begin to flow naturally. When this starts, you will feel a transition happening within yourself, realigning the connection you used to have with them when these conversations were as natural as breathing. It will feel like a reunion, but you must be open to it. Having expectations will dilute your experience. Being open will allow the conversation with your guides to flow naturally.